Now, whether we like it or not, clean energy is the future. And in this video, we're going to be talking all about clean energy, but more specifically, we're going to be talking about the company EXRO Technologies. And if you're trading in the US, the ticker symbol is EXRO. Behind electric vehicles, but I mean that's okay, right? Because I'm not an engineer. I don't know how this stuff works, but I do know how the stock market works, and I do know price patterns, I know technical analysis, but more importantly than that, I know VectorVest analysis. And I'm going to pull up a graph here of EXROF, or EXRO Technologies, and you can see for yourself the parabolic move that's been taking place since this company announced what they're doing. I mean, we're talking earlier this year, they were down around 18, 19 cents a share, and now they're closing in on $4 a share, okay? They're around $3.50, or maybe a little bit higher right now, something like $3.60, but that's the kind of move they've had just so far this year. And if they've been able to do that on the news and on the potential that they have, imagine what's going to take place when they actually bring this technology to market, when they actually start selling these products and they actually get approval to work on these electric vehicles. It's only going to skyrocket from there once all of this stuff takes form and takes shape. So let's take a look at a graph right here. We can see that earlier on this year they were trading around 20 cents per share, and they bottomed somewhere around 18 cents per share, and since then they've been rising nicely and steadily ever since. And recently they've taken off to around $4 a share, pulled back slightly, and now they're trading around $3.60 per share. But what about earnings? I mean, this company, do they have the earnings there? So earnings are currently negative, but the good news is they are rising. So we can see that earnings are currently negative, but they are rising. And we know that earnings are the key factor that drives the price higher. So with rising earnings, this is good news. So what does this mean for you as an investor? Is it too late to get into this stock? Well, like I said before, yes, they've seen exponential price moves forward. The price has been rising parabolically, and I know a lot of people don't want to get in if the price has risen so much so fast. They think that it needs to pull back down before it reaches that level of support and can jump higher again. Well, if this is true, if they're going to be a big player in the electric vehicle market, if they're going to be a big player in clean energy, I don't know if you really want to sit around and wait on this. This could be like waiting on Netflix, to come back down after it started taking off. Or you might have the chance to get into a company like Netflix or Amazon or Microsoft, one of these huge companies right at the start. So don't be deterred by the price moving so high so fast. This could be your opportunity to get in. Earnings are rising. The price is rising. The future is moving towards electric vehicles, and the future is moving towards clean energy. So whether you like it or not, this technology is going to be the future. Now, I'm not here to say that EXRO Technologies will be the company that innovates and will be the company that sets forth. But no, these guys could be setting themselves up for an excellent acquisition in the future. Maybe Tesla feels like this is great technology and it's something that they're going to need to have, and they could come in and acquire this company. They're still cheap enough that they could do so, but they're innovating like a technology company that's going to be making progress and going to be making changes in what we see in the future. So with that being